Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term PTL. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, PTL is praise the Lord, often used to express gratitude or relief. People use it when they want to show thanks or when something positive happens. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. PTL first showed up in religious expressions dating back centuries and became popular in texting during the early 2000s. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among people who use text and online chats. Now let's check out how to use PTL in a sentence. Correct example 1. After finishing the exam, she typed PTL in the group chat to show her relief. Correct example 2. I missed the bus, but caught another one just in time, PTL. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said PTL at Sunday dinner and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using PTL right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. PTL means praise the Lord, often used to express gratitude or relief. It started in religious expressions, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with PTL in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.